Hello everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Another day, another vlog. Another sunny, another perfect weather. As you can see guys, tahimik ang paligiran. Walang nagmamarites. Busy mga tao. Alright. Let's go. Continue walking. Walking. Hey! Hello everyone! Kumusta? Look at the beautiful blue sky. Hey grass! Oh, not allowed ang aso. Bawal tumae dyan. May sign. May sign po, bawal tumae ang mga aso. Diba? Ganda ng weather. Arbaka ba yan? Yung damo na tumubo. Parang arbaka. Yung gamot ng sugat. Alright. Walking pag may time. Ito naman, mabango kaya yan? Mabango ba to? Mabango ba yan? Crane guys, oh, taas oh. Crane. Laki oh. Crane. They're doing a condo over there. Look at that. May dalawang nagde-date dyan. Look at the view over here. Oh, hindi na makita guys. Too much leaves. Hindi na makita. Look at this. There. Far. That's far. Mahangin guys. Baba tayo sa kalsada guys. Baba tayo. There. Daming dahon no? Daming car. Guys, a bit rest. Mag-lunch muna tayo dito, guys. Hamburger, may prutas tayo, may cantaloupe and the no, it's not cantaloupe, it's honeydew and mango and with yogurt and yeah, and hamburger and some juice. All right. Oh, ganito lang buhay dito guys. So, pa-relax. Pa-chill. May baon tayo guys. Ay, nako. Mahirap magutom, baga. 'Di ba? Salamat. Continue eating. Sarap. Ang tamis ng honeydew. One week I strike, guys. Transportation is strike. Bus, train, opo, strike. So everyone is walking. Everyone take the cab over or by car. Opo, it's a strike. Beautiful weather. Sarap ng hangin. Oh, lala, nakakaantok. Naalala ko aking duyan. Ganitong weather, mahangin. Sabit mo lang dyan sa mga puno. Okay na. Ay, tutulog ka talaga de oras. No, makakatulog ka de oras. Opo. Gandang bulaklak, guys, oh. Ganda, oh. Gandang kulay. Oh, look at this. Diba? Ang ganda. Walking dito, guys, kahit anong oras, matanda man or ano, the best they're walking, walang inaanong oras. Opo. It's pretty. Wow, ang ingay mo. They're fixing the road, guys. Sidewalk ata, yeah. Nag-i-espalto sila. Nag-i-espalt. Alright. Thank you for watching. Flower. Look at this flower. Lavender. Oh yeah, lavender year ulit. Lavender month. Season. Lavender po to. Carnation. Yeah, carnation. Cute. Alright, you can see flower everywhere. Flowers everywhere, guys. Wala nang snow. Wala nang snow. Hill po ito, guys. Hill. It's a mountain. Galing tayo sa taas-taasan. Para tayo nag-hiking. Opo. Oh, mga bulaklak, guys. Oh. Iba't ibang bulaklak ang tumutubo, naglalabasan. Ayan. Oh, 'di ba? Oh, once lang tinanim yan eh. Natubo na pagka spring summer. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye bye again and again and again. Thank you. God bless everyone. Babosh!